Hi, my name is Ainsley, and today I am going to walk you through how Google Workspace for Education plays a vital role in supporting learning in the classroom in today's modern day and age. These tools support not only learning, but teaching as well. We will focus on how these cloud-based applications help students and teachers communicate effectively, easily collaborate on projects, and stay organized throughout it all. Google has transformed the classroom into a flexible space that goes far beyond the physical walls of a school classroom. What exactly is Google Workspace for Education? Well, you can think of it as a collection of productivity and collaborative tools tailored directly to academic settings. Unlike the standard versions of Google Apps, these are built with school-level security and administrative control in mind. It allows students and teachers to work together in real time, whether they are sitting right next to one another or working separately from each other. Because it is cloud-based, the work is never lost. If a computer were to crash, for example, the work would still be on the drive. A big bonus to all of these apps is that most of these tools are provided for free to qualifying institutions, making high-level technology accessible to millions of students worldwide, regardless of their school or their personal budget. One of the most important of all the apps is Google Classroom. Google Classroom can be considered your digital home base. Instead of having to keep track of physical folders or mini worksheets, Google Classroom serves as a central dashboard with it all. Here, teachers can post announcements, distribute assignments, and share links students can use for resources. For students, it provides them a clear to-do list of all of their upcoming tasks in one place. Teachers can provide private, constructive feedback directly on a student's work, even if the student is currently working on it. And students can ask questions in a moderated environment. This shift from paper to computers saves a lot of time, keeps everyone organized and on the same page, and it saves trees. Next, we have the main productivity apps. We have Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets. These are essential tools in the academic world. Google Docs is the go-to app for word processing, from simple creative writing to complex research papers. Google Slides empowers students to create visually engaging presentations, and Google Sheets introduces students to the world of data analysis and mathematical calculations. One of the biggest benefits of these apps is the co-authoring feature. Multiple students can be inside the same document, simultaneously typing, editing, and brainstorming. This helps eliminate the confusion of who is working on what part and teaches students the essential real-world skill of collaborative digital production. Where does all the work go? That's where Google Drive comes into play. Google Drive functions as a secure online digital locker where every essay, presentation, and spreadsheet is automatically saved as you work. Because your file lives on the cloud, you can access your work from anywhere on anything: a school computer, a personal computer, or even your phone. Google Drive also makes organization easy with folders in a search bar, ensuring that students can find a project that they started working on months ago in just a few seconds. It also makes the submission process much easier. Sharing a file with a teacher is now as easy as a single click. Communication is key to any successful classroom, and Google Workspace includes an area of tools specifically for that. Gmail provides a professional way for students to practice digital etiquette while communicating with their teachers. Google Calendar is an often forgotten about hero in this field. It automatically populates with due dates from Google Classroom, helping students develop vital time management skills. Finally, we have Google Meet. While it is often thought about when thinking about remote learning, it is also used for bringing guest speakers into the classroom from across the world, or for providing virtual office hours, where a teacher can provide extra help to a group of students in the evening. Testing is a critical part of learning, and Google Forms makes this process much simpler and efficient for teachers. With Google Forms, teachers can create things such as quick exit tickets to check for understanding to comprehensive exams. One of the most powerful features is the quiz mode, which can automatically grade multiple choice questions. This provides students with instant results and feedback, which is much more effective for learning, rather than waiting a week for a graded paper to be returned. For the teacher, Google Forms generates helpful charts with graphs that show exactly which questions the class struggled with most, allowing them to adjust their next lesson accordingly. As technology continues to evolve, Google is always adding new capabilities, such as Gemini, which is Google's AI assistant. These AI tools are being integrated into the workspace to help personalize the learning experience. For example, a teacher might use Gemini to help brainstorm a creative lesson plan or generate diverse reading prompts for different skill levels in the class. Students can use these tools sort of like a tutor to help explain complex concepts in simpler terms or to outline an essay. When used responsibly, these AI enhancements make the classroom much more interactive and help bridge the gap between traditional study methods and the future of work. The true magic of these apps happens when they all work together. The integration between them means that a chart made in Google Sheets can easily be inserted into a Google Slide, or a Google Form result can be exported to a Google Doc for a final report. Students learn how to work in teams, delegate tasks, and give and receive digital peer reviews. Teachers benefit from version history, which allows them to see exactly which student contributed to what in a group project. This ensures accountability and helps everyone stay organized and on track toward their learning goals. All in all, Google Workspace for Education is much more than just a set of digital versions of paper and pens. It is a powerful integrated ecosystem that makes learning more accessible, organized, and collaborative. By using these tools daily, students aren't just learning history, science, or math. They are also gaining the digital literacy skills that are essential for success in today's workforce. As classrooms continue to evolve, these tools will remain at the front of it all, helping teachers inspire their students and helping students take ownership of their own education. Thank you for listening.